Although we've already talked about baskets, invoices, and orders as a whole, in this video I want to go over invoices in particular. If you already have a basket set up, in order to now invoice this basket, all you would need to do is click on Edit for this particular basket. Once on the Edit screen, we can then go right on to Invoice, confirm everything is correct, and click on Create Invoice. This will now turn this basket into an invoice, which is why it's no longer visible in baskets, but it is now visible in your invoices. Now, this particular invoice does have a timer set up, and if we hover over the timer, it'll let you know that it's awaiting payment. And let's say if we were to now go to our website, we can actually view this invoice and it'll let you know all the information. And as you can see as well, we have our message, a public message that we entered in this invoice earlier. Well, it was basket anyway. At the same time, you'll notice that the payment is due by a certain date. This is the timer that is also already set up, but we'll show you in a later video on how to actually get this all set up. Now, one thing we want to touch upon here as well is that you can edit. Before, you would have to unlock an invoice or a hold and then check it out again and then lock it again. In this version, it's as easy as just clicking on edit. It is going to let you know that when you do go ahead and edit, it'll turn this invoice into a draft. And while it is a draft, the customer can no longer pay for it, but you are able to go ahead and make edits to this invoice. So go ahead and click edit. It is now a draft, and it'll let you know on the top as well. We can make changes. You don't have to confirm or save anything, but the only time you do have to confirm is when you are done making your edits and you want to basically give your customer the option to make a payment again. If you were to go back to what the customer sees and we refresh, it'll let them know that it is currently in a draft mode. Once you're all done, go ahead and confirm, make sure everything's all right, confirm your invoice, and this invoice now can be paid again by your customer.
And this concludes the video on baskets, invoices, and orders.